Tired of backbreaking digging and disappointing soil? Imagine building a lush, thriving garden bed without ever picking up a shovel. Today, I'm breaking down how to create a no-dig garden bed that's bursting with life by next spring. It's faster, easier, and honestly way more sustainable than the old-school way. Stick around, your soil will thank you for this. Here's the thing, a no-dig garden works with nature, not against it. Instead of turning or disturbing the earth, I'll show you how to stack simple layers, just like the forest floor. These layers feed your plants, protect soil life, and make gardening a whole lot easier. Start this project now, in fall, so you're ready for a bumper crop by spring. First up, let's talk materials. You'll need cardboard or thick newspaper to smother weeds, compost or well-rotted manure for nutrients, organic matter like leaves, straw, or grass clippings for structure, mulch to protect the top, and water to get everything going. If you want tidy edges, grab some bricks or untreated wood. Okay, step 1. Pick your spot. Aim for an area that gets at least 6 hours of sun each day. Good drainage is key. Don't choose a low spot that gets soggy after rain. Plants love a balance of sunshine and moisture, so set them up for success. Now, lay your foundation. Put down cardboard or several layers of newspaper right over the grass or weeds. Overlap the edges by a few inches so nothing can poke through. This layer blocks out sunlight, smothering weeds naturally, and it'll break down to feed worms and microbes. Next, pile on your compost, 2 to 3 inches thick. This is your nutrient powerhouse. Spread it out evenly. As it settles, it attracts earthworms and helpful microbes that'll turbocharge your soil. On top of that, add a layer of organic matter. You can use straw, leaves, or even kitchen scraps. Think lasagna-style layering. These materials hold moisture and create air pockets for healthy roots and soil critters. The more diverse the layers, the healthier your soil will be. To finish, spread a 2-inch layer of mulch over everything. Gently pat it down. This protects your soil from erosion, locks in moisture, and helps regulate temperature. As mulch breaks down, it keeps feeding your garden through the winter. Let me tell you, when I first tried no-dig gardening, I was blown away by the results. I barely had to weed or till, and by spring, the soil was teeming with life. My harvests were bigger, and the soil just kept getting better. Sometimes nature really does know best. So, start your no-dig bed now, and you'll be ready to plant when those first warm days hit. Give nature a head start. She'll reward you tenfold. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join our sustainable gardening community. Let's grow together, naturally, simply, and successfully.